And we are back.
Yes, we don't come back. We don't come back. Oh.
I want to do my voice husky.
Husky.
You know, say this thing where do my throat, I don't even understand. Now my voice you don't assume one kind
huskiness.
So you understand me now. So I want to funkify my.
Don't like Michael Button.
How Michael Button did?
Tell me how am I supposed to live without you? Make it.
How am I supposed to carry on? Tell me how am I supposed to live without you? You can't do a look. Tell me how am I supposed to carry on?
When all I've been living for is gone. They always put that part.
Okay, back on Yandy Yan. Now, this particular gist when I get for you, they come from a painful child. The child, they hurt.
Hurting?
Yes, the child is hurting.
You're paining the heart.
The heart of the child is hurting. And the child, they come out to tell everybody, say, this particular thing will happen, the matter still the police station. And in they very, very sad, because in 50-year-old mama, when they come back from a function, and now in they come, all these boys, they say them be Air Force boys, drunk. Now in they attack the woman, drag her, come out, say she jam person from inside her car. There was nothing like any accident. They just say, accuse her, say she jam person, drag her, come out from inside, vandalize her car, thief her phone, thief her money, thief her jewelry, beat her, pour alcohol for her body.
Aye.
Now, this particular woman where they talk about now, she don't sustain injury for leg. You understand me now? Say if not be people will come around, we just help the woman. Say in fact they for beat her to death for there for no reason at all, simply because they were drunk. Now then carry the matter go police station, and this police station where they for Isheri area for Alimosho around the Cotton now. Say the police not even
Alimosho?
Yes, Alimosho. Say the police not even they do anything. Say because then they collect money from this party. They collect from the other party because they catch one of the boys them. Okay. They collect money from this side, they collect money from this side. So now the guy, the picking, they come out, say, I beg, I want me everybody know, say, see waiting, they happen. And you know they sweet them at all. Because this case, now vandalism. Shit.
Vandalism.
Wow.
Vandalization.
Wow.
Vandability.
I just made a blunder right there.
Oh, bladder. Now you. Irene.
Now my way.
Buddhists.
Now my way,
no wala. Just go on. They know you for a vandalization talk.
Okay. So there was a vandalization. Vandalism.
Yes.
Hey, that is the story.
Of the woman. Because they attacked the woman, so they have vandalized her motor.
Oh wow.
And then they thief something from her.
No be say then they thief plenty. They even beat her joint. Ogbonge come pour alcohol for her body, but why? Say the guys they drunk and they say na Air Force boys, for God's sake.
Sorry. Now bad thing. Not just good at all. Please make our people there for this country they calm down a bit.
That one pay you. Police will not do anything about her, uncle.
They say money can't they involve for the whole thing. We know as this country we they try everything possible for this country to make sure say we kill corruption. We kill corruption. But this thing like this now God go judge. Everybody will get hand for this badness, God go judge una. If the woman no fit defend herself, God go judge una. People they forget say things they come back to person.
Yes, not small.
If you not suffer the thing, somebody for your family or picking go suffer the thing.
Not because na
normal thing.
Law of karma, very simple.
Anything
what you do,
you get them back
simple.
To you. Finish. My, they don't take your phone before.
Yes.
That means you don't take person home before. Based on karma, no, based on karma.
Now. Which kind of rubbish talk be this?
Just based on community.
Oh, but that's how you thief my phone. I will never forget. FUT me in Niger State when I be there school that year. Now they call me, say they get message for me from house. My person will know me because the person call my area. Say they get message for me. Say make I come front of school gate around that kind of 7 o'clock. Now because now off campus at the state.
Now you wrong.
Now I wrong. Come say okay, message from house. So you know students now who knows.
Like the sweet person.
Oh mass, I reach there. Hello, are you there? Hello, now you hear tawai from back. Snatch the phone. When I can't call the number, you know, so normally you go try call the number, return my phone, and the person say rubbish. Not be only message from house. Say make I get out. Say man, no just worry about this phone. Can't they call everybody? So then my mama call the number. They tell my mama say, na guy pick and tell my mama say at the bath. Say I there at the bath. Now my mama can't they boil.
After like 1 week.
Now I tell her say, they don't thief phone.
They don't thief.
No, now una names them they take thief the phone.
Which name?
That's what I tell her.
Okay, you think that I need detective. I say you say that my name detective.
There was my there was
your
me.
own good.
I felt shocked, like I seized for like 1 minute.
Hand. Where you don't know if you're paying you part. At least they slap you, collect the phone.
They slap me.
All those ones for Oshodi. Now this one do me. They all hug me. From nowhere, person just hug me. Hey, padi me, ba oni, close shell. Just the waka they go. I don't know. I don't the motto they go UI for inside, but they say, hey, my phone no call. Where my phone? So that one, he pay me. He pay me. Say, they ban me. So make we leave this gist for them. Make we leave this gist for them. Okay, this one a Chinese family we don't live on top rubbish for 20 years. So the government are not get any record of this particular family.
They live inside bola. How they call them bola?
Bola.
Dirty.
Inside plenty dirty. For 20 years, the man, he don't hustle, say, government no fit put him inside work. The man could carry himself, go for near doors, be inside, he can't live for that place. Not be only for Nigeria things they happen, no. So for that place, now for them, marrying a wife, his children, he can't even they born them for them. Get 4 children between 11 years old and 2 years old. Now he older speaking at 11 years old. That one even try go school. But he no conflict continue because they no get record of the family for the whole area.
Wow.
See them for there. So they sabi dirty. Now for inside that dirty, now they born, now they play love, now they hustle. So the small girl, because she like book, anything where the papa don't go hustle for outside, if he carry book come for the house, the girl go read the thing.
But she don't understand anything.
And you don't understand anything, but she want to try to say, Daddy, make it about that. But do what? You know, Nabi say, I want to try to do this thing.
But you know, ma.
You understand? The wife now 45 years old now, but the man himself for like 20 years now. 20 years. Now they don't do for this whole thing like this. But it happen for this country too. It happen for a year. But it just show you say you wait there for a house like this where you dey under one shelter, you dey even if na 1 bedroom you dey.
Now the only thing where they get as cover be this one.
Now the only thing where they get be this one. But they get na 6 they be like this. 4 children, papa and mama. For years so they go dey happy oh. They go just put fire, they happy. Today they play with themselves even though they want better life. But you when they hear us like this, the first say you they hear us or you they watch us like this, be thankful for your life that you have, oh. Because people there for outside, they will not even see anyone. If rain fall, now for that they go there. But you they under somewhere, they enjoy this thing. So they thank God. They thank God.
Every time I the Lord, now every the one to make me God. Thank God, 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 thank God. Funny pictures now and funny videos. If you have it, just take it away, put it there. If you cannot put it there, that is your business. Because the show will soon be over. So give us funny.
Just wait for the electrician to come. Oh, Papa, I can fix this thing. Am I not an engineering student? Did this shock you? No, Papa, it did not shock me. Oh. Let us wait for the electrician.
I think shock for that shocking.
As the shock for that,
It's shocking. Shocking. He chucked it. That's what that thing do one of my friend one day go climb pole when rain fall. When wire shock this boy now for the next street you see himself. They shout, Mick! May that not be your portion. So please leave work for electrician, please. Oh yeah, so we get pictures?
Yes, a few pictures. We will soon end. Meanwhile, on Sons of Africa.
On Sons of Africa. See this Okada where this guy carry on like this. All your armpit and your shoulder. Hey! The young shall grow.
What do you know when they do for
the young shall grow? So, as it be like this now, 2 things now come my mind.
Brother.
Upcoming Yahoo boy.
Or
say this boy
we go make am. Simple.
We go make am. This one is correct internet speaking with sabi things.
Or the one we no just know wetin they do.
They phone browsing.
Wetin be this now?
Oh, they use the Okada. They use your Okada tire. They take the pump water. They do turn
innovation now you go fear. Where there is a wheel, my brother.
So when you do thing go dey
be this.
Say na aeroplane na be na motor. Oh, na motor. When they put different. No be khaki be all this one.
Hey.
This man na dirty man. He say dirty somebody. Na dirty be all that one.
Wow.
All right. Oh yeah, make we come back.
Back to us.
Yes, national anthem. But before we go to national anthem, at Wazobia PADI on top Twitter, make una go there, jam us and give us gist, all right? At Wazobia PADI, make we see the 10 people there. We go follow us gist today.
And don't forget, say, very soon we go to give out plenty goodies.
Yes.
We know they to give out goodies, but from the next quarter, we go to give out plenty goodies. You can even win a date with both of us. You understand me now? Very soon.
I beg, make you fine, no.
Well, at the end of the day. But for now, we want to honor our country. So, but we not go stand up because we come up for short. So we go cooperate. So everybody, please keep quiet. Put your hands on your forehead.
Anyone, chest or forehead, shall do the salute or something.
Let us national anthem.
If you be Nigerian, where the first there with the some days now, we go soon do the voting. Verse 2.
1, 2, 3, go.
O God of creation, direct our noble cause, guide our leaders right, help our youth the truth to know, in love and honesty to grow and live